As our centennial celebration draws to a close, we pause to look back through a century of winter light, to honor the moments that carried us forward, and remember the seasons that shaped us. In fading yearbook pages and treasured photographs, we find students gathered around evergreen branches, carefully placing ornaments that caught the glow of holidays long ago. On those rare mornings touched by real snow, students hurried out in wide-eyed delight, shaping snowmen that stood for a moment in time, winter's brief, enchanting surprise. For decades, holiday dinners gathered students together in bustling cafeterias and bright dining halls, friends becoming family around crowded tables, each plate a small comfort of home far away. We see gift-giving, too, small tokens wrapped with care, exchanged between classmates, roommates, teammates. Gestures that said, "I'm glad you're part of my story." There were Christmas dances glittering with laughter, evenings glowing with music and light, where students moved with easy joy, and the season shimmered all around them. Choirs lifted harmonies into December nights, voices weaving warmth through the cold, each song a gentle thread of tradition, carried across generations of lions. Through it all, one truth shines clearly. For 100 years, Southeastern has celebrated not just the holidays, but the people who make this place feel like home. And as we step into our next century, we carry with us every candlelit moment, every chorus of laughter, and every cherished tradition that has shaped who we are. From our Southeastern family to yours, may your holidays be bright, your hearts full, and your new year filled with promise.